Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, I think I done it like 12 times today, since this morning to now. Oh, and it's very stressful. But anyway, these are the two papayas, that the best one that came out. I have, it was like, I think 5 of them. I killed one of them by trying to pull it by the, I call it, to take it out. It was too hard and it busted the root. So as you could see, let me see if you could see it here. Okay, no, you can't see it. I don't think you could see it. I don't know. Right there, the roots are almost down to the bottom of it. So I am planning to put it in a bigger, I call it, bigger place, so that way they could grow bigger. And probably I just sell it. I don't know. I don't need papayas because I got a lot of papayas. So, but also I also have this culantros. I don't want to call it corianders because coriander to me is one thing, and this is a different thing. You know. So I got these from my raised bed because the ones that I was getting taken from over here was not working. So I took these. It worked perfect. Then I put them in water. I cut the leaves off. They just grown more. And I put it in, I washed them, and I put it in a canister, and that worked. You know, I still got them nice and fresh. And these are starting to grow. And as you see, there's a baby right there. Yeah, right there. So that's pretty cool, I think. So let me show you some more. Okay, I have this. This was just one ajise. These are the small peppers that we use here, and we use the big one too. So what I did is I started cutting it, you know, because as you cut it, they start coming side shoots. And I want it to be with a lot of side shoots because then they give more peppers. So I just cut it this yesterday, and there goes the, not this part, the top part. That's what's coming out. So that's cool. I'm planning to also put my tomatoes over here. Let me see. Let me move back a little bit. Okay. This is pretty big. I'm gonna put it here, twist it, you know, and let it grow. And then I'm gonna let it go all the way like that, and then go through here, like I had it last year. No, not last year. The year after that, 2 years ago, and they gave a lot of fruit, you know. So I'm planning to do that. Hopefully, it'll work. And also, I have this. These are oregano, but the small one. Ah, can't even reach it. It's all slopped down. I'm gonna cut it. It's just that it got you know, the ants. They kind of throw some white stuff, and they get like sticky. So I'm just waiting for, since now winter came, they're all gonna die off. I'm gonna wash them out, and then I'm gonna cut this little piece down here that is hanging on down. I'm gonna cut it and try to put it next to it so it could grow all together. But first I gotta clean it out and everything, you know. Okay, so now I got this. This is an avocado. It looks kind of sad. The winter time was kind of cold, really cold, and they kind of lost their leaves, but they're getting side shoots. Let me see. I saw one somewhere here. There it goes. There's a new one coming out. That one is trying to come out also. And as you see, they got little sticks coming out. Those are the new shoots that is coming out. This thing, I think this avocado has like 2 years, you know. And this one is soursop, and I have it for a couple of years, but I got a biggie one that is almost up to the roof, you know. And it came out one fruit, but with the cold weather it died. And I put vitamins and everything, but it died. But that's how life is. Your life in 1 minute, the next minute you die. Here is, I don't know what they call this, but they throw like a big ball, a red ball type of thing. I never tasted it, you know, and I've made 3 of them because I want to know what it tasted like, what it tastes like. And if I like it, I'm going to put way more of that because I got way more seeds. And I also have this, Mama's best friend. And maybe you remember that I had said that my friend needed, she gave some of these and she's still without one. I said, that's no problem. I took one of like a baby because they grow a lot of babies on the side, like right here. That's a baby coming out. So I took a baby, I planted, and look how big it is already. Already is nice and big. This is the flower. I think this is the orange, not the orange, the yellow flower. The orange died. And there goes the other one. And there goes my eggplant. And I think that this one probably will give. Let me see where it is. Okay, here it goes. Let me push this down so you can see it. Look at it. That one is nice and strong. So I hope it works. And I'm planning to, this one is purple. I'm planning to plant a black one. I got seeds of black ones. I would love to get seeds from the white one. This one is what I told my mom. You gotta pay me. And she said, what I gotta give you? I said, no, just a piece of the plant and I could have my own too. This is a lemon, I think it is. Look how beautiful it is. You know, I thought it was gonna die because it was like too cold. But they didn't. This one did. It was just a stick. Just one stick. Now look at this. How it's coming out. Let me turn it over so you can see it. Look how beautiful it is. As soon as winter came, it started throwing leaves. I was about to throw it out. I thought it was that it died. But I always noticed that this part here, it was still green. So I said, wait a minute, I'm not taking it out. I'm going to wait for it to come out. And from what I was telling you, is this one. As you can see, it's still alive. And while there's life, there is a way for it to grow. And I took all the babies out. There was, I think, like 11, let me see, 2, 4, 6, 7. 7 of them. I don't know if this is one of them. But I think it's just a piece of the thing that I put. This plant, as soon as it gives flowers, I want you to see it. It is a beautiful purple flower. I love it. I gave a piece to my friend, you know, because they had like 2. At that time, it wasn't this full. So I gave her one, and I don't know if she, you know, she has it still. But I'm taking care of this one. And as you see there, that is, I forgot what they call it. Well, I think you must know what it is. Put it down the bottom and I'll put it in my, I see if I could find it. Because I did a video on it and I knew the name. I just forgot now. Maybe it's my brain that is a little tired. But if I find it, I'll put it down. And I have this. This is it's good. It's good. This is good for your hair. It's good to make creams to put on your face and things like that. And they grow like crazy. I had this one, and it had these two, right? These two. Um, the one that broke. No, it was three. No, first it had one. Let me say it right. It had one here. It fell off. I gave that one to my friend. That's how I put it in warm and how you call it? And lukewarm. Not lukewarm. Moist. That's what I mean. And moist. And so they get roots. And she did. She said it's beautiful and it has like two babies. And that's cool. This one has two, as you see. This one has one and there's another one growing there. And this one has one and is growing another one there. So I'm having a lot of them. So saying this, oh, let me show you one last thing. Here. One I had to take outside, it died. It's kind of dead, but I'm putting it to give roots there so they could come either way. So saying this, God bless you all. Until next time. Bye-bye.